$20.
Man, what has been up, Nani Gang? Holy cow. Today is going to be a good day. So I think it was yesterday or 2 days ago now at this point. My brother went to Stray Kids with his wife. My brother went to Stray Kids with his wife. And it looks super, super fun. I unfortunately didn't get to go. It was my younger brother's birthday. And just got done doing some pretty heavy duty work stuff.
She said, hold on, folks, you don't know. I can't be here. I can't. Sometimes I feel like I can't breathe.
But today is a special day. Why, you might say? Because me and Shawn are actually getting back going on our YouTube channel. And I cannot be more pumped. So this vlog pretty much is that exactly. It's us getting back to our YouTube channel. I'm going to go meet up with him today and back in the studio like we used to. And we're going to film a bunch of videos that we've been behind on for our Patreon and for all the music that came out. But not just that. Pretty soon in the future, we're going to be doing way more vlogs kind of like this. Along with more talking videos and about just stuff going on in the world, because the world's crazy right now. The world's crazy. And yeah, we have thought processes about it too. But enough of that. I'm going to enjoy this sunshine. I'm going to enjoy this sunshine. Probably going to pick up an energy drink for me and my brother. And yeah, hope you guys enjoy the vlog and the videos that are coming in the future. And don't mind me driving a little crazy, because I do that every once in a while. You always got to watch out for all these cars. You see that? You see that? You never know. You never know. One thing about motorcycles, and this is why people probably will never ride one, is because the crashes on motorcycles are pretty staggering. It's actually concerning to a lot of people. But, you know, when it comes to life and experiences, sometimes you have to take risks to experience things like this, because, I mean, this is beautiful. Like this, the POV, the fact that you can, like, you know, go in and out of traffic, get where you need to go super fast, and also it's Memorial Day. Happy Memorial Day to all the fallen soldiers and everybody that served this beautiful country. Our family's a very military oriented family. All uncles and cousins and everybody is super in the military. I even thought about joining the military outside of high school. Still think about it. Maybe I might, even when I'm like, I don't know, 35 or something. I think about that here and there. But yeah, beautiful Memorial Day weekend. I'm gonna give this guy the friendly what's up. It's a thing we have with bikers, man. Makes me want to get a bigger bike, but I gotta be careful. I am one of the ones that do like to push the limits, I would say, to say the least. Because even like my first week of getting this bike, I never rode a bike before. A couple dirt bikes here and there, but the first week of getting this bike, I freaking was trying to learn how to do wheelies. And it was fun. I was kind of getting the hang of it, and then I stopped. But do I recommend that to normal people? No, do not do that ever. But yeah, I'm gonna get some gas, get some energy drinks, and then we are on our way, Naughty Gang. It's crazy. It's been way too long since me and Shawn freaking got going on this. And it's actually for a lot of reasons. I think one of the main reasons is one of the main reasons is we kind of had a love-hate relationship with YouTube after they tried to cancel our YouTube channel. They tried to cancel our YouTube channel for copy strikes, and we don't even make money off of a lot of our YouTube videos. So it really kind of hit us the wrong way, and we're like, maybe we just want to do only other type of content. But you know, we enjoy all the stuff that we actually enjoy seeing everybody in our comments and everything that actually enjoy the content. Already full. $3. So yeah, we want to keep this going. Holy cow. We want to keep this channel going, add more to it, and just do other channels as well. That's kind of our new venture with this. Hope you guys enjoy all that too. We're still going to be doing the same exact stuff, but we're just going to add more. We're just going to add more content to the mix. Hello. How are you?
Good, how are you?
Pretty good. I'm not in my cowboy get-up today.
Bike ride?
Yes. I'm actually going to go meet with my brother and we'll see how it goes. Beautiful day.
It is. I like bikes more than cars.
Yeah, it's so fun. Have you ever rode one?
Yeah.
Yeah? Oh, dang. Are you thinking about getting a new one?
Maybe. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Have a safe ride.
Thank you. Have a good one. Energy drinks secured. Time to meet me on Mutno. My 360 cam. I'm gonna put this bad boy away because I don't trust it on the freeway. And then I'm gonna get some music going. I mean, I do trust it on the freeway because I had it on the freeway once. But man, this is a very expensive camera, and I ain't trying to lose it right now. But I'll still get you guys the POV shot, a little bit of it. Which is still kind of sketchy too, because I don't want to lose it on the freeway. But I'll see how it goes. If it feels a little weird, I'll probably just grab it and put it in my bag, or put it in my front pocket up here, zip it up on the freeway. Alrighty, let's get the hell out of here. Man, you guys wouldn't believe it if I told you. So I'm cruising along 80 miles per hour. I'm like a mile away from Shawn's exit to get to his place. And at first I thought like the bike may have overheated or something, but I was like, man, that couldn't be right, because I checked everything on it and everything's super on it. I never had problems. The only problem I had was like with an electrical what are they called? A damn electrical fuse. I didn't have the right fuse, so it was like messing with my like starter. But yeah, I checked and I have literally barely any oil in this. I have just enough oil to start, which is super funny because I just recently started changing all the oil on my trucks, and I totally spaced putting oil in the bike, and it's riding season. So I'm literally stranded waiting for Shawn to come save my life, which he said he's pretty close. So he's gonna come save me, and I guess this makes good content. Hey man, I don't even care. It's still a super beautiful day, and I was like smiling the whole time I was riding. So I'm happy. I'm gonna get this oil in here, and then we're gonna make some videos, me and Shawn. Literally coming to save the day, dude. There he is. There he is.
Yeah, have to rescue this motherfucker. Yeah, the dude came and he backed all the way up. He like the fam bam came in clutch, saved me, dude.
Oh yeah.
Shawn got the oil.
Here for it, man.
They got the freaking truck, man. He's taking it off. There it goes.
Hey.
The poor bike. No, I know what's wrong with it. I just, like you said, on like a Sunday or something, I gotta get down and dirty on it. But we still making videos today.
Hey, that's what we're doing.
I'm buying Shawn some food though. This is super inconvenient.
That's okay. What it is.
But you guys actually went to that sushi place over there?
Yeah.
It was actually good.
It was good. I don't know how much better it is than the other one.
Oh, okay.
I don't know if it's more expensive than the other one. I think I might like the other one better.
Really?
The sushi quality is good. Really good.
So it's like shiny object syndrome. Because it's like
A little bit. Like, it depends on what kind of sushi you like. If you're like a high tier sushi person, you might like that one better. Because it does have better high tier sushi. But I'm more of like medium to low tier sushi. That's like my cup of tea. Like,
Gotcha.
I like the house rolls. I like the spicy.
Honestly, because it's cheap too. So it's spicy dragon roll.
Let's see if we can fix it.
Hopefully nothing crazy happens to the bike, man.
No, I think it's good.
Yeah, it looks pretty good. It looks kind of sketchy, but
Well, I think it would have been good even without the straps, and now with the straps, it's even better. So yeah. Wrong.
doesn't seem to be moving too much.
Yeah.
Oh, what a day already, man. Sheesh. We got some videos to react to.
Yeah.
We do. Catch you in the studio.
So it looks like it is recording the desktop.
Quick update. We're in the studio, man. Shawn saved me.
Hey,
We're back.
we're back.
We're back.
We're about to we do some sound tests. You know, make sure all these things be working. Bada bing, bada bing, bada bing. And then we're just gonna get to it.
Yeah.
We got some videos queued up, as you can see.
man.
A little sneak peek.
Oh, man.
Like and subscribe.
We gonna get to it.